Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing Leetcode problem 1704, determining if string halves are alike in JavaScript. All right, so this is a pretty simple one to understand. We're given a string. We're going to split it in half. They're always going to be even, too. So if we split it in half, we have BO and OK. And in each half, we count the number of vowels. So each one has an O in it. So this is true. So if they have the same number of vowels, our output is true. Look down here, the two halves are text and book. Text has one vowel, book has two, therefore it's false. Note that vowels can be lowercase or uppercase. All right, so let's go ahead and grab this one here. Move on over to CodePen. Okay, let's log into the console. All right, so all we need to do here is we need to loop through S. And if we're in the first half of the array, we add to, if we're in the first half of the array, we see a vowel, we add to count 1. If we're in the second half of the array, we see a vowel, we add to count 2. That's all we need to do. Well, how do we know if there's a vowel too? There's the other important thing. What we can do is we can grab these, create an array called vowels, and we can just check if at each letter if vowels includes that letter. If it does, we increment. Count 1 if it's in the first half, count 2 if it's in the second half. So we can set the for loop. Okay, so now what we need to say is if I is less than s dot length divided by 2 and vowels dot includes s at I, and we increment count 1. Okay, we get 1 because there's only one O. And then we're going to say else if take all this, we just change this to greater than or equal count 2 plus plus. So now if we return both of these, you should see 1 and 1. We do. Now all we need to do in our return statement is say count 1 equals count 2. We get true. Okay. Obviously, if these aren't equal, we will get false. That's all you need to do. Let's paste it in Leetcode and let's submit it. Oof. What did I do wrong? Oh, I know. Jeez. Duh. We need to do 2 lowercase, right? Yeah. Forgot that piece of the puzzle. All right, let's go ahead and submit it. There we go. All right, hopefully you found this video enjoyable and helpful. If you did, please give it a like. It helps my channel to grow. If you'd like to see more like these, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again real soon.